What's up guys, Steve here again from RC Tanks and Trucks 24/7. Hope you like that little intro. That is the Double E Frankenstein build with the Toyan 4-stroke single cylinder overhead cam 4-stroke motor. It's awesome. A lot of people interested, and as I am too. Every run video, it starts to get really windy. But anyway, first test, I managed to get the four-wheel drive working. Got a drive shaft at the front as well, and I got the special yoke you need for the actual brake. So enough blabbering. Let's see how it runs on the trails. First of many videos, and please, if you're new or you haven't, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you get notified of all the latest videos coming up with this guy, especially because I'll probably be getting the 4-cylinder version as well coming up in the near future. But more stuff than that, also getting like boats like a Thrasher, the new Thrasher version. So all heaps of stuff coming up, not just this. So stick around. Hope you like the video. Any questions, leave them down below, and let's see how it performs. So what do you think, guys? That was a pretty successful first run. I have it on four-wheel drive now. I have the disc brakes working, as you can see. I'll come around this corner. Well, it's running. Actually, it's going to be low on fuel, actually. But the disc brakes are working. I'll unlock them up a bit. You can see there. I've been going around this corner, not really doing what a Land Rover is meant for, but yeah, the second gear kick in. So I've got a mixture of parts. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. But I've got a mixture of parts. It seems to all be working pretty good. That's the whole point of this, giving a bit of a thrash test, see what's going on. I'm pretty happy with it. The rear brakes seem to be working pretty well, even though it's just locking up the rear. The two-speed's working fine. But it's definitely running low on gas, as you can see. Roll back. Happy days. Now, guys, winds come up again, but I'll show you a quick look at what I have. There's a Toyan motor in there. You would have seen some of the other videos. And is it running out of gas? Oh, because it was on its roof. Let's start that back up again. Well, I'll turn it off. Some of you guys might not have seen it. This might be the first time you've seen this video. I still need to put the air cleaner on. I had one, but it didn't fit, unfortunately. Let's put this here. Well, that's a magnet for it. I don't know why that's up. Okay, if this is the first time you guys have seen this video, this is a double E crawler. Normally has a brushed motor in it. I retrofitted, I've put, what's that in there, a rock. I've put a Toyan 4-stroke single-cylinder overhead cam motor in there and put a Revo 3.3 2-speed gearbox with reverse. Now, see my other videos if you want to get more information about it. But basically, I have everything set up on the remote, so if I want to start it, push this button here. There we go there. Idles away. Kind of sounds like an old school diesel. Everything's up in here. It does have reverse, it has brakes, has everything, so as you can see. Now for reverse, I rotate this guy, and it should be in reverse. Pretty sweet, and it's four-wheel drive now too. You can see. And if I want to go back, I rotate it the other way, and that should be forward now. It does have a 2-speed transmission, and you can adjust that as well. There it goes. You can just hear it there, just snap in. But that all can be adjusted, and this is all, you know, just trial and error. But it's pretty fun, guys. I'm actually really enjoying this series. A lot of you guys are as well. It's very top heavy too, as you can see, but that's all stock set up on the steering, suspension. And I must admit, it's been a pretty good test, as you can see. It kind of looks, Scal, how it rocks back and forth. It's fun times. I'm glad a lot of you guys are liking this video, this build series. I know I am. But I think that's going to wrap it up, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this build series. It's work in progress. It's still going. This is not going to be the last video. So I managed to work out the drive shaft. That seems to be working so far. It's from I think from a slash, the front one is. But I'll do another video later on showing you how I've put it together so far. The rear drive shaft is from an Revo 3.3, same as the gearbox, and it seems to be working fine. I'm running 20% nitro, 10% synthetic with a 6% caster blend, so 16% oil all up. Seems to be working okay. Engine temps on the side of the block are about 160 degrees Fahrenheit, which seems to be around about normal. I also need to cut out some slits in the front to let some additional air cooling, and that's about it. So hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Leave your comments down below. If you like the video, give it a good old thumbs up and share the video and subscribe and hit that notification button as well so you get notified of all the latest content coming up real soon. And I'm really pumped. I'm glad a lot of you guys are liking this. I'm loving it. I'm going to get the V4, I think, as well, which is a 4-cylinder version of that car. It's a 4-cylinder motor, so happy days.